On what was supposed to be the first day of school for Shamokin area students was the first day for a teacher strike. Nearly 200 teachers marched in front of the district annex building carrying signs. Issues for the strike include money, benefits, and number of students per classroom. A meeting was scheduled for today at 4 p.m. with the Shamokin Area Education Association. As of Monday evening, the board had not yet reached an agreement. If an agreement is reached, students and teachers would head back to the classroom as soon as tomorrow.